Must-visit top 20 tourist attractions in Manchester. Manchester is a city that is full of history, culture, and exciting things to see and do. Whether you're a football fan, an art lover, or just looking to experience the best of what the city has to offer, there is no shortage of attractions to explore. In this video, we will take a closer look at the must-visit top 20 tourist and holiday attractions in Manchester. 1. Old Trafford Stadium. Old Trafford Stadium is the home of Manchester United Football Club and is one of the most famous football stadiums in the world. The stadium offers behind-the-scenes tours for visitors, where you can see the dressing rooms, walk down the players' tunnel, and even sit in the manager's seat in the dugout. The tour also includes a visit to the club museum, where you can see a range of memorabilia and trophies from the club's illustrious history. 2. Manchester Cathedral. Manchester Cathedral is a stunning 15th-century building that is located in the heart of the city. The cathedral is open to visitors and offers guided tours, as well as regular services. The cathedral is known for its beautiful stained glass windows, which were created by the famous artist, Edward Burne-Jones. 3. Museum of Science and Industry. The Museum of Science and Industry is a fascinating attraction that showcases the scientific and industrial heritage of Manchester. The museum is housed in the buildings of the world's oldest surviving passenger railway station and offers a range of interactive exhibits and workshops that are suitable for visitors of all ages. Some of the highlights of the museum include the working textile machinery, the replica of the world's first stored program computer, and the steam engine collection. 4. The Lowry. The Lowry is a beautiful arts centre that is located in the Salford Quays area of Manchester. The centre is home to 2 theatres, art galleries, and a range of shops and restaurants. The centre is named after the famous artist, L.S. Lowry, whose work is on display in the galleries. The centre hosts a range of performances, from theatre and dance to comedy and music. 5. Manchester Art Gallery. The Manchester Art Gallery is home to an impressive collection of art, including works by famous artists such as Vincent van Gogh and John Everett Millais. The gallery is free to visit and offers a range of events and exhibitions throughout the year. The gallery is known for its collection of Pre-Raphaelite paintings, as well as its collection of works by local artists. 6. National Football Museum. The National Football Museum is an interactive museum that showcases the history of football in England. The museum is located in the Orbis building in the city centre and offers a range of interactive exhibits, memorabilia, and artifacts that are suitable for visitors of all ages. Some of the highlights of the museum include the Hall of Fame, which honours the greatest players in the history of the game, and the Match of the Day studio, where you can try your hand at presenting your own football highlights. 7. John Rylands Library. The John Rylands Library is a beautiful building that is located in the city centre. The library is home to a vast collection of rare books and manuscripts, including a copy of the Gutenberg Bible. The library is open to visitors and offers guided tours, as well as regular events and exhibitions. 8. Manchester Town Hall. Manchester Town Hall is a beautiful building that is located in Albert Square. The Town Hall is open to visitors and offers guided tours, as well as regular events and exhibitions. The building is known for its impressive clock tower and its opulent interior, which features murals and stained glass windows. 9. Etihad Stadium. Etihad Stadium is the home of Manchester City Football Club and is one of the most modern and innovative football stadiums in the world. The stadium offers behind-the-scenes tours for visitors, where you can see the dressing rooms, walk down the players' tunnel, and even sit in the manager's seat in the dugout. The tour also includes a visit to the club museum, where you can see a range of memorabilia and trophies from the club's history. 10. People's History Museum. The People's History Museum is located in the city centre and is dedicated to the history of working people in Britain. The museum offers a range of interactive exhibits and workshops that showcase the struggles and achievements of workers throughout history. Some of the highlights of the museum include the banners and artifacts from the suffragette movement, as well as the recreated street scenes from different eras in Manchester's history. 11. Heaton Park. Heaton Park is one of the largest parks in Europe and is located in the north of the city. The park offers a range of activities for visitors, including boating on the lake, horse riding, and a range of sports facilities. The park also hosts a range of events throughout the year, including music festivals and outdoor theatre performances. 12. The Manchester Museum. The Manchester Museum is located on the campus of the University of Manchester and is home to a range of exhibits that showcase the natural and cultural history of the world. The museum is known for its collection of Egyptian artifacts, including mummies and sarcophagi, as well as its collection of fossils and dinosaur skeletons. 13. Chetham's Library. Chetham's Library is one of the oldest public libraries in the English-speaking world and is located in the heart of the city. The library is home to a range of rare books and manuscripts, including a copy of Shakespeare's First Folio. The library is open to visitors and offers guided tours, as well as regular events and exhibitions. 14. The Imperial War Museum North. The Imperial War Museum North is located in the Salford Quays area of Manchester and is dedicated to the history of modern warfare. The museum offers a range of exhibits and displays that showcase the impact of war on people's lives. Some of the highlights of the museum include the Big Picture Show, which uses digital technology to create an immersive experience of war, and the displays of military vehicles and aircraft. 15. The Royal Exchange Theatre. The Royal Exchange Theatre is located in a beautiful 19th century building in the city centre and is one of the most famous theatres in the UK. The theatre offers a range of performances, from classic plays to modern productions, and is known for its innovative staging and use of technology. 16. Manchester Craft and Design Centre. The Manchester Craft and Design Centre is a hub for local artists and designers. Visitors can browse a range of unique, handmade items and even take part in workshops to learn new skills. 17. Affleck's Palace. Affleck's Palace is a shopping centre with a difference. It's home to a range of independent retailers selling everything from vintage clothing to handmade jewellery. The centre also hosts regular events and live music performances. 18. The Manchester Food and Drink Festival. The Manchester Food and Drink Festival is an annual event that celebrates the city's vibrant food and drink scene. The festival offers a range of events and experiences, including pop-up restaurants, food markets, and tastings. It's a must-visit for foodies. 19. The Bridgewater Hall. The Bridgewater Hall is a beautiful concert venue that is located in the city centre. The hall is home to the Halle Orchestra and hosts a range of classical music concerts, as well as other performances such as jazz and pop. 20. The Whitworth Art Gallery. The Whitworth Art Gallery is located on the campus of the University of Manchester and is home to a range of contemporary and historical art exhibits. The gallery features a range of exhibitions and displays throughout the year, as well as offering workshops and talks for visitors. Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button for more tourism and holiday destinations. Like, share and subscribe.